Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a live chat button on your Google site. So if you want to add live chat on your site, then you can just go to talk.to, and this is actually a free platform that will help you to get a live chat software on your Google sites. Now you can just tap on this get started free button here. Now you can just you have to enter the your name, enter your email address and your password here. So I'm going to add a password like this, and click on this sign up for free button. So here you can see I have just signed up for talk.to, and here you will find this section, which product would you like to set up. There you can clearly find this live chat here, so you can just tap on it. Now you have to enter the URL of your website. So here is the dashboard, the back end of my site. So you just need to click on this drop down button and click on view published site, so you can just copy the URL of your website. So I'm going to copy the URL, accept the home. Now just like this, I've just copied it and pasted it here, and I'm going to delete the HTTP extra HTTPS here sites, just like this. Yes. Now click on this arrow button, and the name of your, what is the name of your organization? I'm going to name the for as my web page or website. Now click on this arrow button again. Now you can add a logo of the live chat button here if you want to. So I'm going to search for chat button, an image. Here you will find different types of image that you can use for your live chat here. So I'm going to select one of them from here, just like this, the Pinterest here. As you can see, I have just downloaded the live chat button or the image here that I can add. Now tap on logo, and here is the chat icon, so I can just edit it just like this. Tap on done button here. Now here you can see I have just added the logo that I want to add to my web page here. Now I can just use the button color, so it's purple actually. So I'm going to create a purple color here, purple and a light version, just like this. And you can just customize it. The first welcome message here, so I just you can just customize it, or but for now I don't want to customize it right now. So you can just also add some suggested message that I have a question, tell me more, or um, show me available products. Tap on add message to add some other prompted message. Now tap on this click on this next button here, and here you will find the code that you can use to add the button. So tap on copy to clipboard, and it has just copied the code here. Now you just need to go to web page, the last one here. Here you'll find you can see I have already added a quick chat here, a live chat here, so I can just delete it, and I'm going to add a new one that I have just created. So just click on this embed button here and go to the embed code and click on next, and here you will find the preview that how it's look like. Now click on insert here, and here you can see I have just inserted that live chat button here. So I'm going to add this just like this, and the button here I'm going to place it right down here. Now just like this, and this one is here, and just like this you can just customize it. I'm going to customize it. I'm going to place it at the middle. and mm, just yes. So that's how you can just easily add the live chat button here. So you don't forget to publish your website. Now tap on publish again, and here you can see it is publishing. Now let's see the latest update on our web page or the Google sites. So here is the contact us section, where here you can see the contact us page. If I click on it, then anyone can send me message like this, and if I send it to this message here, so it will just give you some alert here. So here you can see from Twig you will find the alert. So all those messages that you get will add to the Twig. So that's how you can just add the live chat option here on your Google sites. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.